Let's take a look what's inside the kit. The PCB, resistors, cables and LEDs. To put the kit together we need solder, flux, tweezers and a soldering iron. You should solder on a surface where you don't mind burn marks. I start with adding solder to one pad first. Then I unwrap the parts that I want to solder to the pads. Heat the pad and push in the resistor. Tend to add all the resistors first. After soldering the last one, I will add solder to every pad. You can do it without it, but it actually helps to use flux. Sometimes I come back to parts where I wasn't happy with the soldering I did. Use a fitting tool to remove the isolation. Just don't use your teeth. Pre-tin the cable and repeat everything for the other cables. You want to add some solder to the pads or where the cables go to. Solder the cables in rainbow order. Solder the LEDs like we did the resistors. Start with the pads. Unpack and solder the LEDs one after another. The negative side of the LED goes to the outside. It has a green marking. The LED might be stuck. I quickly test every LED interconnection with a multimeter before I solder on the other pin and notice that the white LED didn't show anything. I just thought that my multimeter was maybe too weak to make the LED actually glow, so I continued with soldering every pad. The flux clearly helps, as you can see. After testing with the power supply, I wanted to remove the white LED because it didn't work. I wanted to turn it around. I damaged the LED though and removed everything with the big solder block and then soldered on a purple LED instead. Quick test, and it works. Nice. Let's clean up everything with rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip. Well, isn't that a beauty? The Jellyfish board by Deshipu is really great. It's super useful for breadboarding stuff and it looks cute, so what do you want more? Thanks for watching everyone, have a nice one and see you next time, or not. Bye!